How y'all doing today? My name is Thomas Love, but you already knew that. Today I got the Wireless Go Rhodes. We're gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna do something simple. You can see, you can get all the stuff. USB-C. Seems like everybody's going to USB-C now. Perfect. I do have in addition to this, I also got the Rode, or I've had the Rode mic, so I'm going to be using this with this. So hopefully everything will be going. I'm not using this, I'm actually using the mic that goes on top of my camera, but let's see what I can do. So simple, you got the whole package, the side. It looks pretty simple. I don't know what else. Apparently I've been pulling this whole thing incorrectly. You just pull the whole thing right off. It's actually ruining the box. Well, I guess I can't resell it now. And we're gonna tear here. I guess it is kind of. Look at this. Alright. Got the Rode Quick Start Guide. I'm sure this is all. Oh, look at this. And then look right here. Huh. So it looks pretty simple with the Rode Quick Start Guide, USB, microphone, Alright, and then we have the whole thing right here. And let me see. I guess they. Wow. Well, look at this. Got a little dead mouse. I got a little cord. I got an easy packet. Apparently I had an SD card error. I don't know what happened. Yeah, we'll keep going. So we got we even got a little pouch. I'm gonna have to go back and see. I do like the whole little pouch though. Alright. Like this. I like the dead mouse. I wonder if this will go on my lavalier mic. But I guess not. No. Alright, but I do like these. Ooh. Oh, you got a ton of stuff here. Look at this. Get 2 cords. You get a USB-C. Wow, you get 2 USB. Whoa. That's a lot more stuff than I anticipated. Alright, so. You get the box. Oops. You get the bag. You get the 2 Rodes. You get 2 dead cats or dead mice, 2 USBs, and the plug and some other stuff. Alright, let me go back and see what happened. Alright.